Let me tell you about Steven Lopez Rendon. He is 74 years old, young man who was born on July 16, 2000. Currently, he is a dedicated student at UTP in Pereira, studying for a degree in technology, and is in the ninth semester. He is intelligent and very disciplined. In addition to his academic activities, Steven works as a hiking guide assistant on weekends, demonstrating a remarkable commitment to heal others and exploring nature. Furthermore, in his free time, he enjoys spending time with his pet toy.